Hey everybody, I am so glad to be here today. I want to talk with you guys a little bit about protein today because we all hear about needing a balanced diet, and protein is one of those things that's very important for a balanced diet. So let's jump into it. First of all, I did a little research and I found out some really neat information. But first of all, what is a protein? A protein, when you consume it, it breaks down into amino acids. Um, Amino acids build and repair body tissues, provide fuel for energy, support your immune function, and regulate body processes. So there are 20 different types of amino acids that all connect to each other in a chain. Our body makes 11 types of amino acids, but we need to get the remaining 9 types of amino acids called essential amino acids through other sources, such as the food we eat. There are 2 types of proteins now. So the first is an incomplete protein. So this is a protein that doesn't have all the 9 types of amino acids that we need to take in. These are generally plant-based proteins. They still have plenty of health benefits, but if you do rely on plant foods for your protein, you'll want to eat a variety of these plant-based proteins to ensure that you're getting all of the amino acids that your body needs. And then there are complete proteins. Um, if the protein you eat has all the 9 types of amino acids that you need to get from food, it's called a complete protein. And these are generally animal proteins like chicken, turkey, beef, stuff like that. So, why do we even need to eat more protein? Well, it helps reduce appetite and hunger levels. It increases muscle mass and strength. It's good for your bones. It reduces cravings and desires for snacking. It boosts your metabolism and increases fat burning. Studies have shown that it even lowers your blood pressure. It helps maintain weight loss. It doesn't harm healthy kidneys. Chronic kidney issues is a different matter, but healthy kidneys, you're totally fine. Helps your body repair itself after injury and helps you stay fit as you age because your muscles start to break down a little bit as you get older. So you're saying, okay, that's awesome, but what do I eat and how much do I need to eat? So as a general rule, aim for 30 grams of protein a meal a day. Now consider the quantity and the quality. Okay. There are some animal products that are complete proteins, but they may not be the healthiest choice, like your processed meats, like hot dogs. Like, may not be the best option. Look at your labels, see what's in them. Do they have a lot of extra sodium and fat content? So just consider like what you are eating. I'm going to link a, a sheet that has a list of proteins on it that you can take a look at. You'll see on there that if you eat your to get to if you want to get to your 30, that might be lot higher calorie count than another product. Okay, so whey is also an excellent source of high quality protein. And this is because it is a complete protein. I never knew this. But whey, it's the liquid remaining after milk after it's been curdled and strained. Like the liquid in your yogurt when it's been sitting in the fridge for a couple days, and you're like, some people pour it out and like, no, that's the way, that's the good stuff. Mix it back in and eat it. It's very digestible, and very easy on your stomach. So protein powder is another option, but what is in your protein powder? Ultra processed ingredients from a lab. Do they contain additives such as artificial flavors and dyes, excess sodium, carrageenan? Be very careful with that one. Make sure that that is not in that. I even noticed it in my kids' chocolate milk the other day, which I thought, oh, chocolate milk is good for all kids. But so carrageenan is actually a derivative of red seaweed. It's an additive used to thicken, emulsify, and preserve foods and drinks. But it's linked to inflammation in the body and leaky gut. So just be very careful with that one. Also, some protein powders actually have heavy metal contamination. Some have added sugars, which feeds candida in your gut. Some have artificial sweeteners, which kill the good bacteria in your gut. Just in general, protein powders are poorly regulated and defined by the FDA. So read your labels. Be a good label reader. Plexus Lean, though, is a good option if you're saying, like, okay, then what do I do? Just tell me what to take. So Plexus Lean comes in two different forms. It's Lean Whey and Lean Vegan. Now, Plexus Lean Whey includes 21 grams of protein, or your whole 30 grams when prepared with skim milk. Plexus Lean Vegan includes 21 grams of protein from pea, rice, almond, and ancient grain. And then I guess just whatever you decide to mix with that, whatever protein that is in that. There are two flavors generally, chocolate and vanilla, but as of today, we also have spiced pumpkin, and that is a limited time offer. So when it's gone, it's gone. So if you're interested in that, please let me know. And I was never a big protein powder person before Plexus, but I've heard from other people that other protein powders can be a little more gritty. This one is very nice and smooth. It tastes like a shake. It's really good for you. So anyway, the Lean is formulated with the most bioavailable form, or in the most bioavailable form, meaning it's broken down so your body can actually use it. It's free from artificial sweeteners. We actually use coconut sugar, stevia leaf extract, but the purest form of stevia, and natural flavors for both chocolate and vanilla. It's enhanced with easily absorbable forms of 21 vitamins and minerals, including methylated folate, not folic acid. That's the man-made stuff. Methylated folate, calcium, zinc, vitamins A, C, and E, and more. The vitamins and minerals in Lean are highly available forms, in highly bioavailable forms, meaning they're broken down, so that they're more easily absorbed and better utilized by the body. There is a prebiotic and protease enzyme blend that supports the microbiome and digestive enzymes. And just in general, Plexus takes great care to thoroughly check its research and only relies on dependable human studies to back its product claims. They also hold its manufacturers to standards that comply with the FDA current good manufacturing practices and industry standards. In its facilities, they always use the latest technology and equipment and controls to provide a sterile environment. And they ensure that every Plexus product is manufactured and packaged in separate, defined operation rooms that are controlled by temperature, humidity, air pressure, just basically to mitigate the cross-contamination and preserve the purity of the product. In short, Plexus delivers a high-quality wellness product that is backed by reliable studies and is produced according to the best practices of manufacturing. And on top of all that, Plexus is a company of integrity, and they always want to give back. So when you nourish yourself with Plexus, you're actually helping somebody else. Through our Nourish One initiative, every purchase of Plexus Lean triggers a monetary donation equivalent to 10 meals to Feeding America. And this is the nation's largest domestic hunger relief organization. So your purchase actually makes a real impact in the fight against hunger. So that is my information today. Thanks so much for listening. Have a great day.